Been having some thoughts about my little electric quad. One of the things that's jumped to mind is a starter motor. If I was to overdrive a starter motor with, say, 18 volts instead of 12, I could use a ring gear of something that's not quite as round as the diameter of these tyres, which is 16 by 8 -7, so they're must be 16-inch outside diameter, 8-inch rim, 7 inches wide, yeah, something like that. Anyway, if I do that, I could direct drive a starter motor, and for switching all I'd need is a momentarily on switch to liven up the solenoid on it. By livening up the solenoid, it'll throw out and away it'll go. By overdriving it, I'll get more power and more speed. Downfalls is obviously temperature's going to become a factor after a while, and current draw as well. But I'm tipping that the quad's a lot easier to move than to start. So that's a 4-litre Falcon engine starter motor. Now the other option is to make a bracket that holds on to here and here, take a bit of space out of the webbing on here, and get some kind of cogged belt out of a machine or whatever, and a pulley, and run a belt. Make it belt drive. The belt's probably not going to be too upset if it has to go across. You know, it's only going across about the width of that gear, so it's only moving, say, 20-25 mil each time it engages or disengages. I don't reckon that it'd jump off. I don't know, just thinking of a quick way to get this going before I buy an expensive DC brushless, probably 36 volt motor. I've been looking at some on Allied Express for they're $200 and $300, but they're 15 and 1800 watt brushless motors made for motorbike upgrades, like little electric motorbikes, pocket bikes. Yeah, I don't want to spend a huge amount of time on it, just in case that the starter motors wear out really fast, but in saying that, there's something that's pretty easy to replace. So if I made it bolt in or bolt out quickly and simply, I wouldn't be upset with them breaking after 2 or 3 rides, you know what I mean? For that matter, I can rebuild them with new brushes and that. Anyway, just a thought. Leave a comment below if you know anyone who's tried starter motors, or have any more insight into that whole idea. Thanks for watching.